Hey guys, how's it going? How to search effectively using Perplexity AI. Basically, go ahead and open up the official website. Make sure that you start with the clear and specific queries. Use direct and concise language to make your question easier to interpret. Interpret. So instead of tell me about climate change, ask what are the primary causes of climate change. So what are the primary causes for climate change, right? You're gonna hit enter. Use keyword for precision, like include key terms related to your research. For example, impacts of urbanization on biodiversity loss, and explore answers in sources. You're gonna find it right here, and with the charts to see the analysis. And basically click the links to verify the content and gather more in-depth information, and then refine your search. If the initial results aren't detailed enough, try adding more context. For example, you can ask a follow-up question like climate change effect, or effects of climate change on the global food security, right? And then let me type right here, effect of climate change on global food security. Okay, and gonna follow up with that specific question, and then use a follow-up question, of course, if you are curious to know more. Build on previous answers by asking a follow-up questions like what are the causes of the deforestation, right? Deforestation, and how does deforestation contribute to carbon emissions, right? And then compare perspective, right? Example, arguments against renewable energy expansion, and then include specific filters if needed, right? And then save or organize sources. You're going to be able to find the sources from here, from the follow-up question as well. And then lastly, if you want tips for efficient research, break down complex questions. Split broad topics into smaller specific questions for better results. Cross-check the resources provided to ensure the accuracy and reliability, right? And if the results aren't ideal, try a different rephrasing or synonymous, right? By combining clear queries and with the exploration of cited sources, Perplexity AI becomes a powerful tool to research and explore more easily. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.